Nonsia abo man she mamo ajo emama kwaba eba eye Hytvgh. Nonsia kase gbo ayensa aka no endede ene eba bepiti ede amaw na wahu nsem a ekoso na memu hanyina. Meka wo say stream live e Facebook eye Hytvgh Ghana. Afi so eye YouTube no eye Hytvgh. Won dia say obetimi akọ eye social media platforms we no wetimi edi achi e wo honom na bibia so akoye a ebedi kasebo mu akotene ogopie mu ewo ye Ghana Water Company Limited dia na chese sisia no wode nsem bi e de abeto dwa se sisia no hwe mpotamu na se insuo emma na wo betimi abonwode akọ eye won district offices na afi de wode wusu ne wodadwe nyina e de akodan wonsem no nchechemu a edimu na ese no ye bede be asom ewo ye kasebo ebe san so e de ani e de akire eye wona wobu nkunta eye mathematics for ne ho na enne wo de asi wo se eye enne no eye World Mathematics Day emu afasha no ebetimi ahwe na ye de emu nsem nyina so e de asom wo e wo ye kasebwe mu ensem bi ai kan ye nim ho ai de tie na e de hwe e na okamafo Clement Majebre a mede ni nyina e de ba be som wo e wo eye Hytvgh no nsia kasebwe so na mameka wo se Yorke state e na ye dwumaku a wasom asena mede kasebwe nyina e de e ba be som wo nti ba won de ansa betimi akọ eye Yorke state nchen na wakoje eye wasase eba no nsase ene adan eto ene ne han dia na chese wo ya de pa 0243708485 0243708485 na won atwen komo na face wenya wasase na bibia so atodin mameka wo so se eye Adoms boutique eba no ntade a eye fe na ubetimi ahye ama wanimonyam no akosoro de Adoms boutique ena ubenya ebi wo ho nti bomode an se odi wani ebe kire ye Adoms boutique na wo so akoje wo de 0243708485 na won atwetwe komo na bibia so atodin Cerebral Hotel baby hospitality chese ye gina baba e wo pa ye Cerebral Hotel upe baby ada ajojo ho e wo kaswane ne potamu dia ye Cerebral Hotel kaswa nyanyalu road no ena wo nti bomode aso betimi di wonani a kire ho na ebia wahoho bi no wakogigi wonani e wo ye Cerebral Hotel 0242222292 0242222292 na won atwetwe nkomo abusia ye dan ye ho aba ye ba ye de nsem num kire mu nyina e de ba somo e wo ye kasegbo yi so abusia ne assignment wakwa aba eba eye Hytvgh so nonsia kasebo ena dru so ayede esomo midin ede okamafo Clement afi yen hye eye kasebo no ase nanse ye kamia yesa wudi wani ekire ye ga south importemu honum ene afi so northern region tamaleni ade a na chese nsuo ho akwa atwe pa omafo dodo na debia anopa bia we se woso won gallon ne ade a wode ne nam kwan ho ape nsuo atonso wonya bi ento ni nyina ne sesisi ano nsuo ya to pipe mu enya asemketo akra na ugopie mu ewo eye Ghana Water Company Limited one communications manager eye Stanley Mate ono na de nsem kakra e de atudwa se hu sesi ebia wunsuo no emmade na chese ebia wuntua wusika na se wo bills no water bill no ebia wuntua na se na se wutua pa na se yembo modern ase yebebie pipe no ama na se wo pipe mba na se wugidi pa se wutua wusika ne dia ene bo modern ase bitima de wani e de akire eye district office na afedi wode wonsem nyina akodan won na wonso wetimi aye chechemu a ese na efata na afedi we bie wo pipe no ama wakasa sem we ewo ye 3FM show ne so ewo eye sunrise show a debia wo ye eso
you're going to get them every month because of that social contract. That
if you don't have water.
Yes, if you don't have water, it will read your current consumption will read zero.
No, but you're saying there's value.
If there's value there, it's arrears.
Oh.
Yes. So you should check very well. And then if there's value, it means that some water has gone through his meter. Because we bill our customers according to the readings on their meter.
If the water
okay, and that is how we measure their consumption.
If the water went through and he didn't consume the water, How do you bill him for it?
But it's gone through. So where did the water go? If you fetch the water you are not using, the meter has still recorded it.
That water did not flow through the account.
Sometimes some of these things are exaggerated. But if he feels,
I believe my God.
Okay, fine. But if he feels strongly about that one, if he knows it is true, he should just go to a district office and report the issue. Okay, we monitor the system so we know if it's true. Definitely, that adjustments will be done for him.
If I believe my brother from Tuba, what he's saying is the truth.
Okay, so let him go to a district office, talk to the district manager. They'll do the investigations and then do the adjustment for him. There's no problem at all. We wouldn't want to cheat anybody, and we wouldn't also want anybody to cheat the system.
Abusia ye to akase bone so de ne ye ni ekire eye wona wobu nkunta eho na afidi akohwe ho ene wode esi ho e de ama eye World Mathematics Day achese wo hwe ama eye mathematics aye nkunta bu no obie etimi enya emu nimdie na ukopie mu ewo ye African Institute for Mathematical Science a wohwe wondin tia se AIMS dia na chese wa shefa ni ebi e wo Ghana hanum sei na wo shefa no wo pese wo bomoden se eye emayewa anase emanyina wotimi enya gidie mapa na afei so wotimi efra wonto mapa e wo eye nkuntabuo hu enti no we enti wotimi ahyefa a wode botai bi esi wontrim se ebebo moden se emanyina wonani ebeje eye mathematics hu enti wode saa dwumadie yi nyina e de agu internet so a sisi no ko internet a obetimi aye ama bibia so akoyie nti sisi no emofra ne empemfo obi atimi ko internet ne so ekosua sene yetimi eye mathematics no utimi workia na wonya wo answer na bibia so akoyie eno ebeboa ama obia ebenya gidie mapa ewo adesuamu na afei so wontimi enkase wosuro se obeye eye mathematics ewo suku ahodo ni nyina emu center president eye Dr. Prince Osei ono na de sansem bo nyina ede tu dwa wo kire se wo pese emma pa na wonya eye emu ntenteman eba ne se yesua mathematics chese emaso betimi de wonse esi wonbo atimi akase mas de yenimpa isanse wohwe ehunu se omanfo awowo eye Ghana hanum no yemududo na esuro eye maths anase mathematics.
Math and science in general has benefited a lot from diversity. So we need a diversity and inclusion. So we need to make a deliberate effort to encourage more females to come into mathematics and science, and that is what we are doing at AIMS. So we are working on this. We are making a lot of effort across the pipelines. We are at the point of introducing some programs, online platforms to encourage junior high and senior high school to learn math online free of charge, and trying to encourage them to take careers in the universities in math and science, and then continue all the way to the highest level of training and research in math.
Abusia eno echino Deputy Minister for Education John Intim Fojo onimonyamfo ono so ede ne sem kakra ede tudwa ewo saa ofano ono so echechere kwan a obetimi aboa ama mathematics mu adesua no ebetimi atretre mu amana ko miamia enkurase bibre na obia so enya ehu nimdie.
STEM. Many barriers are preventing females from fully participating in STEM disciplines. So some structural efforts will have to be made to make it more attractive and to be able to even attract females to get in, to be able to get to a gender parity of 1 when it comes to gender participation in STEM. Wesley Girls by far still remains one of the best SHS we have in the country, and they are very strong in math. And so you see the ladies competing at tertiary with all the men, and they are still some of the best surgeons, some of the best engineers. We want to create many more of Wesley Girls, and that is why the all-girls STEM high school is going to be created. We have one at Bosomtwe Girls, and we're also going to have one at Katamanso, which is going to be affiliated to AIMS Ghana, situated very close to them, and they are going to mentor them. So that is one of the initiatives that we are implementing to ensure that we encourage a lot of female participation.
Abusia ye fi san sem ne so de ne de ni e kire eye amanyosem na ye de ni e kire eye bunu mantem ukopie kro a ye frɛ ho doma dia na kyese doma trafo wonbu afupa eye MPP amanfo a wo honom no wonbu afupa de ntia wonbu afu ene nansanya police station elections a ekoso no ya say mpemfo a wo honom no won endi ni ye sanse wogidi se won chairman ne mpemfo bi a wo honom no e de katasese ne proye nyema bi ewura eye abato Emma abato no endi mu na ense emfata eye amanyuku MPP na Ferguson opon yeboa ono enedi ni dom anim eye oye kire pa de kire eye mpemfo a woda eye amanyuku MPP ano wodi wonan ebesi form na afei de elections a ekoso eye polling station elections a ekoso e wodomas obetimi ato ni bi o mesanse wosusu se ballot papers ne nemo bi ahodo bi wo hono man omanfo no ewia ye ede bi eka ho na ensem fatakra ntimpin fom wodi wonan besi form na afei de watimi ahwe asem no akani
ekasai ye constituency chairman a group imrantia says babati abo ayefre besem macho ene ya ye vigilante for Africa na mamum no anase Ghana no afi no no de obe de ne de na mrantia na dia be ni say omo atom print ballot papers na say omo botom eti mrantia mi no omo kwa ba ku kita ballot papers one na say ne botom mako 70 na ba ko so atom print ballot papers 2 na no so ese ne botom edi so omo ba na omo aspirant omo de ne age na no so opiki 2 a na ne 2 ni sene botom no omo aye sento kwasi osa na omo jai 70 ballot papers na omo de agu
awusia ye fi amanyosem ade apomudi hu nsem na afede ye hu ekoso ewo ho Ghana ambulance service won bano anase won asoye a ewo ye Nkwanta South won so de won sem kakra Abraham USAID any ekuo bi kakra edboa won hu etimi ekoja eye emergency dispatch center ede ma won na chese wo hwe eye ambulance service nam enyama bi a wo de betimi ede aye adwuma no na wo se wonya biaye bi a wo betimi enya sa nyama nyina wo de begu eba no equipment ahodo a wo de beye adwuma na wo se wonya biaye bi a wo de sa nyama nyina ebegu bi a ufika so eba na afei de oba befa ebia oxygen na say ade bia wo de beye adwuma wo se wonya bia bi a chese eben wo na afei de otimi ebe sesa sa nyema no eno na USAID ene nkrofo bi a na say ekuo won share aban so wetimi akeka won ho abom na afei ye emergency dispatch center ede ama won se na ebetimi aboa ma se ebia ambulance bi efi ba bi na ohia akade bi ede ahye eye ne car ni mu de aye obetimi enya ne intemso na regional principal advanced emergency technical technique Emma eye ambulance service wo Nkwanta South eye Joshua Amudu ono ene de Amadu ono ene de nsem kakra ede to dwa abra na wode sa nsem wode sa biaye ede ehye won sasem ewo mu se biaye no aba ne mu wohia akade de bebre ba ko a oka ho asem eye oxygen plant o si sisi a no hwe Ghana ambulance service na wo se wonya oxygen pa esanse obi wo ho ma oda na kuma no ekwa na aba san wohia eye oxygen pa o de sanse wo nyina ede to yen san
Mensin assembly ensa
do suke broma sometimes kana ambulance ko atumi ko ena moto king kwa na moto ambulance ko be fa kwa jaba kwa no e yo how kase nti ye bestre municipal assembly so on be bibi afon amai na se ministry ba ye betumi akwakofe ena fe so ele se fa apin for na nkola ya ofo no imepi wo no ma se ye mo from my oxygen na emepi no otiwi di hanu na na ye nya pa za e fi oxygen nti gise ye ko akra we ye how kase pa e ma ye national balance service wo team member na Nkwanta.
Dr. Muhammad Ali ono so a campaign for wonkuo ede sa eye emergency dispatch ede bedom eye ambulance service awo Nkwanta South ono no ene de nsem kakra eso ede to eye incentro enim deɛ wɔyɛ nyinaa no ɛka nhyehyɛeɛ a wɔfrɛ no ɛyɛ acute care and emergency referral system ɛka saa nsɛm no ɛho anaasɛ ɛka wɔboa ɛma sisi a no ɛyɛ apɔmuden atumi ɛfra ɛwɔ ɔman Ghana emu
kaseɛ enim
yɛne National Ambulance Service ɛne Ghana Health Service yɛbɛka abom implement interventions a yɛbɛtumi promote the survival of women and children. Said the Abaya or Bafa Frua or Betimia Afan home, Afan Ba.
Abusia Cassia in Simbi, I can't yen him why the best someone on net a dorsal. Yes, Simbi, I D Cassia Bonumu Aquataning. The niche there a year gas out and important and in northern region. Now could be more Honoman, and not in Sue and on a communications director and as Emma a year Ghana Water Company. A day in Sembi Abe Tuja our church. Now, as a pipe no and as a Wunsuno and Ma, Bomodi answer the district office now. Nasa wunim se wutia wusika pa dia wo bebo moden ebe bie pipe no ama na se wuntia dia ene tumuda na sa de no ensi se wo beba be bie pipe no ama hu yesan so ede ni ekire eye wona wo mu nkunta no nde wo de wo ema eye World Mathematics Day a wo shefa no e wo Ghana hanum no na wo de woni ekire eye se ma mi afa won tuma pa afra ewo eye nkuntamu eye mathematics emu na bibia so ato di nsin bi ai kan ye nim ho a na editie na edi na me okamafo Clement meji bre edi ni nyina edi be somwo se no nsia bob mameka wo se you stream live ewo eye Facebook eye Hytvgh afi so ewo YouTube no na ye Hytvgh make I was say Adams Boutique Adams Boutique and a some asiam me de kasebo nyina e de be som wo afei so han Yorke so masne and me de kasebo no e be som wo me kra no Serabu Hotel batankese a chese oji obi wo modi ansa wo be ko ho no de ana chese wo nya bebi e de utiato afei so wo ahoho ne ade a betimi de won akọ na bibia so akoyi ede okamafo Clement me na meje bre ede kasebo ede be somwo yera asese wutie yen ewo ahanum sei eye na wotimi esan so ewo ye Hytvgh so Benedict ene bo machi dom ewo MC aho